Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming the essentials. Make sure both your iPhone and the display are on the same Wi-Fi network, and that the TV or adapter has AirPlay or mirroring enabled. Next, unlock your iPhone and swipe or pull down to open Control Center so you can act quickly. If you have an older iPhone, locate the screen mirroring icon in Control Center. With newer models, use the same gesture but expect slightly different icon placement. Once done, you're ready to select the receiver. You now tap Screen Mirroring or AirPlay in Control Center, and a list of available receivers appears. Pick the one that matches your TV or adapter name. If the receiver asks, enter the 4-digit or 6-digit code shown on the TV. This pairs devices securely and prevents accidental connections. Make sure to wait a few seconds for the handshake. During that pause, your iPhone negotiates resolution and audio routing. If connection fails, retry selecting the device or toggle Wi-Fi briefly to reset discovery. To end mirroring, open Control Center and tap Stop Mirroring. This returns display and audio to your iPhone. Make sure to control volume on the target display when audio seems low, because sound sometimes defaults to the TV or speaker instead of the phone. If the image is laggy or won't connect, reboot your iPhone and the receiver, then check Wi-Fi strength. Weak signals cause lag. A key troubleshooting tip: toggle Wi-Fi off and on both devices to.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.